would like to formally welcome you to Norway, to my friend. It's really great to have you in the delegation here. Thank you also for sending such a great ambassador to us.
This was not session.
So it was all women
Yeah.
in our
Yes. Is it? Okay. So we cannot. We are also very happy with our ambassador in Belgrade, but we can't do anything with his gender. There is.
Слушай, я кажу, Сузана дошла